Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy as fast as possible. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a full home arm workout that you can do from the comfort of your own home to build bigger arms as a skinny guy and even gain an inch on your arms in the next couple of months. So you're gonna need a set of dumbbells to do this workout, and basically you're gonna be able to build bigger triceps, build bigger biceps from the comfort of your own home. Now, before we get into today's video, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're a skinny guy looking to bulk up as fast as possible. Maybe you want meal plans, workouts, recipes, simple tips and tricks made specifically for skinny guys. If that sounds like you, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. And if you've been following me for a while, make sure after this video to click the first link in my description and go get yourself a free bulking meal plan and workout to get started on your weight gain journey in the next 30 days. So basically how today's arm workout works is we're gonna go with 6 different exercises, and we're gonna work the biceps and also work the triceps equally, so we can make sure that you're developing your arms equally and getting size on those arms. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's workout. Thanks for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Also, check out the videos on the screen here to watch next. That's it for this video, my skinny survivors. I'll see you in the next one.